Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy Sphere. Today, we're diving into some of the top 13 coolest home and kitchen gadgets from Amazon. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to up your kitchen game, these gadgets are sure to impress. So let's get started with the top 13 coolest home and kitchen gadgets you can find right now. 13. Couch Console Tray. The Couch Console Tray is a revolutionary innovation designed to enhance the comfort and convenience of modern living spaces. Combining functionality with sleek design, this unique piece of furniture serves as both a stylish coffee table and a high-tech control center for your home entertainment system. The Couch Console Tray features a built-in touchscreen interface that allows you to seamlessly control your TV, audio system, and even smart home devices without needing multiple remotes or a separate control panel. Its spacious surface provides ample room for snacks, drinks, and personal items, while hidden compartments offer storage for cables, controllers, and other essentials. The elegant, minimalist design ensures that it complements a variety of interior styles, making it a versatile addition to any room. With its combination of cutting-edge technology and practical design, the Couch Console Tray redefines the concept of home convenience, turning your living room into a hub of modern sophistication and ease. 12. Ring Alarm Pro. The Ring Alarm Pro is a sophisticated home security system that integrates advanced features to ensure comprehensive protection for your property. This all-in-one device combines a robust security alarm with a powerful mesh Wi-Fi router, offering both protection and connectivity in a single unit. The Ring Alarm Pro security system includes features such as motion detectors, door/window sensors, and a built-in siren, which work together to provide real-time alerts and notifications directly to your smartphone. Its seamless integration with the Ring ecosystem allows for easy monitoring and control through the Ring app, where you can view live video feeds, receive instant alerts, and manage system settings from anywhere. The addition of a Wi-Fi router enhances your home network's performance by providing extended coverage and improved reliability, ensuring that your connected devices remain stable and fast. With its sleek design and dual functionality, the Ring Alarm Pro delivers a modern, efficient solution for safeguarding your home while keeping you connected. 11. YesLamp Ace Desk Lamp. The YesLamp Ace Desk Lamp is an innovative lighting solution designed to enhance both functionality and style in any workspace. With its sleek, modern design, the Ace Desk Lamp features a minimalistic aesthetic that seamlessly integrates into various decor styles. The lamp boasts adjustable brightness levels and color temperatures, allowing users to tailor the lighting to their specific needs, whether for focused work, reading, or relaxing. Its flexible articulating arm and adjustable head provide precise control over light direction, ensuring optimal illumination of your workspace. The built-in USB charging port adds a practical touch, enabling convenient charging of devices without cluttering your desk with additional cables. Energy-efficient LED technology ensures long-lasting performance and reduced energy consumption, while a touch-sensitive control panel makes operation intuitive and straightforward. The YesLamp Ace Desk Lamp combines elegance with practicality, making it an essential addition to any modern office or study area, enhancing productivity while adding a touch of sophistication to your environment. 10. Echo Show 15. The Echo Show 15 is a versatile smart display designed to seamlessly integrate into modern homes. With its large 15.6-inch Full HD screen, it functions not just as a digital assistant, but also as a central hub for home management and entertainment. The sleek, minimalist design allows it to blend effortlessly with various home decors, whether mounted on the wall or placed on a stand. It offers a range of features, including the ability to display customizable widgets such as calendars, to-do lists, and reminders, helping users stay organized and on top of their schedules. The Echo Show 15 also supports video calls, streaming services, and smart home control, making it a multifunctional device. Its visual ID technology can recognize different users, providing personalized information and recommendations. Additionally, with Alexa built in, it responds to voice commands, making it easy to control smart home devices, play music, or get answers to questions, enhancing convenience and connectivity in daily life. 9. Vabroom Sweeper. The Vabroom Sweeper is an innovative cleaning tool designed to make household chores more efficient and less strenuous. This lightweight and user-friendly device combines the functionality of a broom and a vacuum, making it ideal for quick cleanups and maintaining tidy floors. The Vabroom Sweeper features a sweeping brush that captures dust, dirt, and debris, which is then efficiently sucked into a built-in vacuum compartment. This dual-action design eliminates the need for multiple cleaning tools and reduces the hassle of dustpans and sweeping piles. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, while its slim profile allows it to reach tight spaces and under furniture with ease. Perfect for various floor types, including hardwood, tile, and low-pile carpets, the Vabroom Sweeper is a practical solution for busy households, providing a convenient way to keep floors spotless with minimal effort. 8. XGIMI Portable Projector. The XGIMI Portable Projector is a cutting-edge, compact device that brings the cinema experience to any location with ease. Designed for ultimate portability, this projector offers impressive video quality with high-resolution output, making it suitable for both home entertainment and on-the-go use. Equipped with advanced projection technology, the XGIMI portable projector delivers vibrant colors and sharp images. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or giving presentations, its built-in battery ensures hours of continuous use without needing to be plugged in, while its lightweight and sleek design make it easy to carry and set up. The projector often features smart capabilities, including built-in Android operating system or app support, allowing direct streaming from popular services and seamless connectivity with various devices. With user-friendly controls and intuitive interfaces, the XGIMI portable projector provides a versatile and high-quality projection experience, perfect for transforming any space into a personal theater or multimedia hub. 7. HGN Glass Rinser. The HGN Glass Rinser is a modern kitchen appliance designed to streamline the process of cleaning glasses and cups. This sleek and efficient device simplifies the rinsing process by providing a powerful stream of water that quickly removes residue, soap, and debris. Installed directly into the sink or countertop, the HGN Glass Rinser features a retractable spray nozzle that can be easily activated with a simple push or press, ensuring thorough rinsing without manual scrubbing. Its high-pressure water jets effectively clean the interior and exterior of glasses, making it particularly useful for handling residue from sticky or greasy beverages. The compact and stylish design of the HGN Glass Rinser makes a practical addition to any kitchen, blending seamlessly with existing fixtures while offering enhanced convenience. Ideal for both everyday use and entertaining, it helps maintain cleanliness and hygiene with minimal effort, saving time and reducing the need for additional cleaning tools. 6. AF101 Air Fryer. The AF101 Air Fryer is a cutting-edge kitchen appliance designed to make healthy cooking convenient and delicious. With its advanced air circulation technology, this air fryer cooks food by circulating hot air around it, providing a crispy fried texture with little to no oil. Its large capacity allows you to prepare a variety of dishes, from crispy fries to tender chicken, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. The AF101 features a user-friendly interface with adjustable temperature and timer settings, enabling precise control over cooking times and temperatures to achieve perfect results. Its compact design fits comfortably on countertops, while the non-stick, removable basket ensures easy cleanup. Additionally, the air fryer's ability to cook quickly and evenly helps retain the nutritional value of your food, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. With its combination of efficiency, ease of use, and versatile cooking options, the AF101 Air Fryer is a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. 5. Steamer Basket. The steamer basket is a versatile and practical kitchen tool designed for healthy cooking. Typically made from stainless steel or silicone, this basket is used to steam vegetables, seafood, dumplings, and more, preserving nutrients and flavor while reducing the need for added fats. It fits neatly into various pots and pans, allowing steam to circulate around the food for even cooking. The design often includes a collapsible or expandable feature, making it easy to adjust to different pot sizes and ensuring a snug fit. Many steamer baskets come with a heat-resistant handle or a central post for easy removal, preventing burns and spittles. Some models also feature perforations or a mesh structure that facilitates optimal steam flow and prevents food from falling through. Compact and easy to store, the steamer basket is an essential tool for anyone looking to prepare healthy, delicious meals with minimal fuss. 4. KitchenAid Mixer. The KitchenAid Mixer is a staple in both professional and home kitchens, renowned for its durability and versatility. With its iconic design and powerful motor, this stand mixer excels in a range of tasks, from whipping cream and beating eggs to kneading dough and mixing batter. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the extensive range of attachments and accessories allows for diverse culinary applications, including pasta making, food processing, and grinding. The mixer typically features multiple speed settings and a tilting head for easy access to the bowl, which can be either a stainless steel or glass option. Its large capacity bowl is perfect for handling large batches, and the mixer's planetary mixing action ensures thorough and consistent results. Available in a variety of colors and finishes, the KitchenAid Mixer not only delivers exceptional functionality, but also adds a touch of style to any kitchen countertop. 3. Jellyfish Art Jelly Cylinder 5. The Jellyfish Art Jelly Cylinder 5 is a captivating decorative piece that combines art and marine life in a mesmerizing way. Encased in a sleek cylindrical frame, this unique item features lifelike, floating jellyfish that seem to glide effortlessly through a luminescent liquid. The Jellyfish Art Jelly Cylinder 5 uses LED lighting to enhance the visual effect, creating a soothing ambient glow that highlights the delicate movements of the jellyfish. Its compact design makes it an eye-catching centerpiece for any room, adding a touch of elegance and tranquility. Ideal for modern living spaces, offices, or as a conversation starter, this art piece not only provides a relaxing visual experience but also evokes a sense of wonder and fascination with the beauty of marine life. 2. Acerpure Cozy Air Circulator. The Acerpure Cozy Air Circulator is an advanced air circulation device designed to enhance indoor comfort and air quality. Featuring a sleek and modern design, This air circulator efficiently moves air throughout the room, promoting consistent temperature distribution and improving overall airflow. Its adjustable fan speed settings allow for personalized control over air circulation, while its quiet operation ensures minimal noise disruption. The Pure Cozy Air Circulator is equipped with a sophisticated airflow technology that reduces hot and cold spots, making it ideal for use in various settings including homes, offices, and workshops. The compact and stylish design fits seamlessly into any decor, and its user-friendly controls make operation straightforward. Additionally, the air circulator is often designed with energy efficiency in mind, providing effective performance without excessive power consumption. Whether used for enhancing comfort or improving air movement, the Pure Cozy Air Circulator is a practical and elegant solution for maintaining a pleasant indoor environment. 1. Fitbit Area Air. The Fitbit Area Air is a smart digital scale designed to help users track their weight and body composition with ease. Its sleek, modern design complements any bathroom decor while providing accurate measurements thanks to its high-precision sensors. The scale connects seamlessly to the Fitbit app via Bluetooth, allowing users to monitor their weight trends, set goals, and view progress over time on their smartphones. The Area Air is capable of sensing data with other Fitbit devices, offering a comprehensive view of overall health and fitness. Its easy-to-read display shows weight in pounds or kilograms, and the device supports multiple user profiles, making it ideal for households with multiple people tracking their health. With its user-friendly setup and integration with Fitbit's ecosystem, the Area Air is a convenient tool for maintaining health and wellness goals. And there you have it, our top 13 coolest home and kitchen gadgets from Amazon. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.